Beneath the vast, sun-baked expanse of the African sky, two worlds exist in a delicate and surprising dance. This is a journey from the managed, familiar corners of the farm, where the rhythmic chewing of cattle echoes, to the untamed, golden grasses of the savannah, ruled by ancient giants. It is here we meet an unexpected hero, a spirited cow whose playful mud bath becomes a pivotal rescue mission, blurring the lines between the domestic and the wild in the most extraordinary way. Our story follows this curious cow. Black bears are the most widespread bear species on the continent. Black bears rarely attack humans unless provoked or protecting cubs. Generally not endangered, but habitat loss and human-bear conflicts pose threats. Black bears usually live alone, except mothers with cubs. They hibernate in dens during the winter, slowing their metabolism to survive without food. Black bears Hippopotamus means river horse. It comes from the Greek words hippos, horse, and potamos, river. Hippos are the third largest land mammals. After elephants and white rhinos, they can weigh 1,500 to 4,000 kilograms, 3,300 to 8,800 pounds. That's heavier than a car. Hippos give birth in water, and calves weigh around 45 kilograms.
Sheep have amazing memories. They can recognize faces of other sheep and even humans, and remember them for years. Sheep are very social animals and like to stay in groups. They often follow the leader. That's where the phrase "follow like sheep" comes from. Sheep say "ba" to communicate with each other. Lambs and their mothers can recognize each other by their unique sounds. Sheep grow thick wool that keeps them warm. Their wool is used to make clothes, blankets, and socks. Sheep have amazing memory. They can recognize faces of other sheep and even humans. Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land. They can run up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per h in short bursts. Cheetahs have long legs, a slim body, and a long tail that acts like a rudder to help them turn quickly while chasing prey. Cheetahs can only run at full speed for about 20 to 30 seconds. After that, they need to rest. Running that fast takes a lot of energy. Cheetahs are endangered. There are only about 7,000 cheetahs left in the wild today.
A bull is an intact, not castrated, adult male of the species Bos domestic cattle. Castrated males are called steers. Bulls are larger, heavier, and more muscular than cows or steers. Some breeds can weigh over 2,000 pounds, 900 kilograms. Reindeer are the only deer species in which both sexes grow antlers, though males are typically larger. Reindeer have been domesticated in northern Eurasia for thousands of years by indigenous peoples, especially the Sami. Reindeer dig through snow to eat lichen, a moss-like plant often called reindeer moss. Camels are known as the ships of the desert because they can carry heavy loads and travel long distances across hot, dry lands. Camels can carry up to 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, of weight, making them very useful for transportation and trade. Camels have been domesticated for over 3,000 years and are still used in many parts of the world for riding, milk, meat, and transport.
Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long with tail. Tigers are mostly nocturnal. Their eyes are specially adapted for night vision. They can see 6 times better than humans in the dark. Tigers are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Only around 4,000 tigers are left in the wild.
Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds. Plains zebras form harems, one male with several females and foals, while Grevy's zebras are more solitary. Zebras live in savannas, grasslands, woodlands, shrublands, and even mountainous regions across eastern and southern Africa. Elephants mourn their dead. They will touch and revisit the bones of deceased companions. They display complex emotions like joy, grief, compassion, and even humor. An elephant's trunk has around 40,000 muscles used for breathing, smelling, touching, grabbing, and trumpeting. Elephants are herbivores, eating 300 kilograms, 330 Horses can sleep while standing thanks to a special locking system in their legs, but they need to lie down for deep sleep. Horse's eyes are on the sides of its head, giving it a nearly 360 degrees view, except directly in front and behind. Horses can learn commands, recognize human emotions, and remember people for years. Horses naturally live in herds. Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, making them one of the first domesticated animals. Dogs can see in the dark better than humans due to a structure called the tapetum lucidum in their eyes. Dogs come in an astonishing range of sizes, from the tiny Chihuahua, about 2 pounds, to the massive English Mastiff, up to 250 pounds. Dogs form strong bonds with their humans and can experience separation anxiety when left alone too long.
Polar bears are the largest carnivores, meat eaters, on land. Adult males can weigh over 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms. Polar bear fur looks white, but it's actually transparent. Their skin underneath is black, which helps absorb heat from the sun. Polar bear babies, called cubs, are born in snow dens during winter and are about the size of a guinea pig when born. Polar bears live only in the Arctic, not Antarctica. You'll find them in places like Canada, Alaska, Greenland, and Russia.
Cows are gentle farm animals known for giving us milk, which is used to make cheese, yogurt, butter, and more. Cows are very social animals and form close bonds with other cows, often having best friends in their herd. Cows have been domesticated for over 10,000 years and are important for dairy, meat, leather, and farming in many cultures. Cows are herbivores and eat only plants like grass, hay, and grains. Blurring the lines between the domestic and the wild in the most extraordinary way. Our story follows this curious cow, who finds not just relief from the heat, but a purpose in the cool, squelching mud of a watering hole. What begins as a simple wallow quickly transforms into an act of incredible bravery when a young,